our project chatbot. First, we have collected the data set related to the chatbot through the online sources and websites that are available. And Kaggle also helped us more in order to collect the required data set, through which we have prepared some of the models accordingly. After that, we have selected the way that it should be in a conversational way, and through this conversation the people can ask the required question that they want to get the answer to those questions, and we will likely to answer those questions. In that way, the chatbot have been prepared. Now I'm gonna discuss my contribution towards the project of chatbot. We have prepared the code. Here we can observe the NLTK functions used over the code. Now I'm gonna explain the functions of NLTK one by one accordingly. Uh, Firstly, let us talk about the tokenization function. The tokenization function is nothing but splitting of a string into meaningful units. Means a string can be split into the meaningful units. This term can be understood by us, or the sentence which I said now can be understood by us clearly through an example. So let us discuss an example. Let us take an example like, what would you do? What would you do? It is a sentence. So what would you do? We can split. Means the splitting of a string into the meaningful units. These are the units. Like, what is an unit? Would, you, do. These are the units. Means it can be split into the units. Now it is understood clearly. Now let us talk about the second function, stammering. Stammering is the second function that we are talking about now. We can observe the stammering functions we have used over here. So the stammering is nothing but the root word. Means we can define it as generation of the root form of the words. Generating the root form of the words, we can understand it clearly by taking an example. Let us take an example. Organize, organizes, organizing. These are the three words, right? The root word in this, means which is common in all three of these words. What is the word that is common in these three words is organ. Organ is the root word. We can consider the organ as the root word over here. Organize, organize, organizes, organizing. In this, the root word is organ. Means it is similar in all these three words. So we can understand the stammering concept in this way. Now let us talk about the next function, which is the bag of words. We can observe the function bag of words over here. The bag of words is nothing but the 0 is not present and 1 is for the word that is present. Uh, we can discuss this like bag of words. We can generate the 0 and 1 accordingly. If the word is present, then it is 1. If the word is not present, then it is 0. It is nothing but the bag of words. So we have used these kind of functions in this code that we have prepared. um, Chatbot, the project chatbot is all about the conversation. We have chosen the topic therapy, mental health. Nowadays people are not able to discuss about the mental health in public, so the concept we have chosen, like everyone will connect to this and ask the questions that they were suffering from freely and easily, so we can solve the many kind of social related issues in this way. So we have concentrated on this matter, mental health, and we have prepared the code accordingly. So the mental health means people having any kind of issues, like they are facing depression or they are facing any kind of issues, like they are not, they are mentally ill. So these kind of questions they can ask us and we can answer to those questions. So the code is prepared accordingly. This is all about the chatbot, the project that I have taken, and this is all about the explanation of the code that we have done, and my contribution towards the chatbot. Thank you.